Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so look, volatility is alive and well. The hourly midband is holding up as resistance. We've gone back to the 9-day. We're on either side of the 50-day exponential on the continuation chart. Let's go to the hourly. We had some tight bands into the open yesterday. They tried to convert to the downside. They printed that 48-quarter hourly midband. They knocked it down. They ground it for a few hours yesterday midday, and then basically took it up a bit. Then just kind of grounded into the close. So it was a pretty neutral looking regular session yesterday. There really wasn't a whole hell of a lot going on. We got into the debate, and they took it up. They paused at the daily midband. Then after the debate was over, they took it up as high as 58.25, and then it got slammed. So they slammed it, and then they slammed it again. They've traded as low as 32.91 quarter, and then they brought it all the way back to the hourly midband in the area of 20 to 26. So plenty of volatility to go around. We're flat. I don't like things that ramp and then thud, because you never know when they're going to ramp back again. I wouldn't be surprised if we opened here. I wouldn't be surprised if we opened up here in the 50 area. Wouldn't be surprised if we opened down here. So we'll take the regular session as it comes. Volume weighted average price 33.1879. As I said, hourly midband is 22. Proprietary moving average 08 half. 5-minute mids about the same. It's 6:53 a.m. Eastern time as I am recording this. So look, it's going to have to deal with this chunk of price in and around 3,300 again. The bears tried to take out 3,300. They couldn't get it done. So they're still not executing at the edges of price. But before you get excited about the bulls, they're not executing at the edges of price either. Either on the daily chart, as they continue to have problems with daily midband, on the hourly chart, as they continue to have problems with the hourly midband. So as we head through today and the rest of the week, I'll be very interested to see what kind of a taste gets left in the tape's mouth post-debate, end of September, beginning of October, as we head into the the real guts of the fall trade. Off the open today, I want to know if we're above or below 22. I told everybody last night that the hourly midband was your bull bear. It's your bull bear. It just is. If we're above it, it's support for a long. If it stays resistance, then shorts against it. If those shorts can produce price below 3,300, those shorts work. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.